Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to set up a TP-Link. Firstly, plug one end of an Ethernet cable into your modem and connect the other end to your router's WAN internet port. Refer to the picture for visual representation. If your ISP provider an Ethernet cable from the wall, plug it directly into the router's WAN port. Find the default Wi-Fi network name and password printed on the label underneath the router, and go to Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone, then connect to this network. Download and install the TP-Link Tether app from the App Store or Google Play Store and launch it on your device. The app will scan for TP-Link routers nearby. Tap on your router's name when it appears on the device list. Set up a secure username and password for managing the router and make sure it's different from your Wi-Fi password for security. If your ISP does not require a username or password, select Dynamic IP then click Next. This is commonly used if your router is connected to a modem. After selecting the internet type, follow the remaining on-screen instructions in the Tether app. Once setup is complete, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network using your new settings. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.